Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Bronco in a heritage trim with the Sasquatch Package, and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with a ton of power for towing, hauling, 4x4ing, whatever you want to do with this vehicle, with some great fuel efficiency. And the Heritage Package is a new sort of appearance package from Ford, giving you a retro look, such as the pinstriping, the classic Bronco up here, all of the white accents, such as the grille, the rims, the roof, the hardtop especially, and even inside as well. You also have the Sasquatch Package, giving you some larger 35-inch all-terrain tires with some fender flares to cover those tires. And down below you have removable hoop steps, which are hopefully going to give you some grip to not slip off of there. Moving around to the back, you have the full-size spare on the back. Opening up the back, the tailgate opens up to the side, and then the glass folds up as well. And looking into the back, it is kind of occupied right now because this vehicle does come with the removable soft top as well as the hard top, so you get 2 for 1. And as you can tell, you have a ton of room. Even with the rear bench folded down, you have a ton of room. 12-volt power outlet. This vehicle does have seating for 5 in total, and the tie downs being put into use currently have little lassos on them, so that's neat too. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, the interior matches kind of the exterior with the red and white accents all over, even the plate down here. But then looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, off-road information, navigation, phone and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. And then moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls spread out. Another thing to note, the seat trim is also unique to the Heritage trim, being this sort of retro plaid, so that's cool too. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general vehicle features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, and above that you have some of your 4x4 controls. You have your front and rear locking differentials, as well as trail turn assist, which is sort of if you're on a tighter road or trail, that will help you make a tighter turn. Traction control shutoff and hazards. You also have a mounting point for your accessory rail if you want to have like a GoPro or something mounted up here to film your trails. Moving down, you have your media controls with your auto start stop shutoff, and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. Moving down further, you have a USB and USB-C there. Then you have one of the grab handles, as well as having one on either side of the dash so you can hold on when you're going over rougher terrain. Then you've got your main shifter for your 10-speed automatic transmission with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And you got 2 cup holders, and then your 4x4 selector with 4 auto, as well as trail control, which is for it's not displaying right now, but it is like cruise control for slower speeds on rougher terrain, as well as your G.O.A.T mode selector or terrain selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, mud ruts, and sand. Sorry, your drive mode selector more accurately. And then you have your window and mirror controls here, because of course the doors are removable, so you don't want to overcomplicate that. Even with doors removed, your mirrors do stay on, so you still have that. And then your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, ton of room inside, and a 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in from there. And last but not least, you have 6 upfitter switches up above that can be wired up however you please, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested in a new Bronco with the classic Bronco stylings, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.